Hey guys, if you guys have been waiting to get the new iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Pro Max, the Apple Store has just opened for pre-order. So you can see this is the pre-order of the iPhone 13 Pro from $1,499 for the Pro versions, and in here you can choose different colors. There are 4 different colors. You got gray, gold, silver, and blue. And then you got the Pro Max. So from $999 for the lowest storage space, and as you choose the color and increase the storage space, the price go up from there. So 256, 512, and 1 TB go up to $1,499. Okay, so it's ready for you to order. It just has the store has just opened to take pre-orders, and after taking pre-orders, you might have to wait for a week or so for pickup, or if you are shipping, it might take a little bit longer than that. Now I have just ordered mine, and it comes to $2,219 Australian dollars, and yeah, so it's ready for pickup next week. And if you guys been waiting, just make sure that you pre-order, because if you don't pre-order, you might miss out, because there is limited number of units available this year. So be quick if you want to get your hand on an iPhone 13. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.